there's a new virus that originated in China and is now affecting people all over the world. It's called the novel coronavirus, and it's not so good. But don't you worry, we all can protect ourselves against it. It's simple. Follow these easy steps to maintain proper hygiene and keep your body healthy, fit, and fine. 1. If you see anyone with a cough, cold, or a fever, don't get too close to them and suggest they visit a doctor immediately, because that's what good friends do. 2. When you come home from school or from playing in the park, always wash your hands with warm water and soap. Clean hands are healthy hands. 3. Wash all your fruits and vegetables properly. Clean food is good food. 4. Whenever you go out, wear a mask and ask all your friends to wear one too, as we must not allow naughty germs to spread. 5. As we know, it is good manners to cover your mouth while sneezing or coughing with a paper napkin and saying, "Excuse me." Don't forget to throw the napkin away immediately after use. 6. It is best to stay at home and avoid those sneaky little germs. So play as many fun indoor games as you like. Read a book or draw and paint, and you may just discover something you're really good at. Yay! And kids, while we follow these steps, don't forget we have to make our bodies stronger too. And how are we gonna do that? By eating healthy food like vegetables and fruits, exercising regularly, and also going to bed on time. We are now ready to fight all those naughty germs and viruses around us. So take care of yourself, your family, and your friends, and we'll all be healthy, fit, and away from diseases. Yay! Have a great day.
Hello everyone, I am your science teacher Vidya ma'am. I hope you all are following this step and are safe at your home. I hope you have completed your activity 1, and I expect you may have understood the difference between the growth of two different plants. In this session, we are going to learn the next part of this lesson, agriculture and the stages of agriculture. Now, I am going to explain about the agriculture. What is agriculture? Growing large quantities of plants for food and other purposes called agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of the Indian economy. Around 58% population of India depends on agriculture. India is second largest producer of agriculture product. India is the leading producer of jute, pulses, second largest producer of wheat, paddy, fruits and vegetables. Now, stages of agriculture. Ploughing, manure, sowing, irrigation, pesticides and harvesting. Now, we are going to see the video about stages of agriculture.
Dear friends, do you know that how farmers grow crops in a large field? What is their first requirement? Well, first of all, they prepare the soil for growing the crop. For that, they turn the soil and loosen it. The loosened soil helps in the growth of earthworms and microbes present in the soil. These organisms are also known as farmers' friends. They add humus to the soil. Turning and loosening of soil brings the nutrient-rich soil to the top. These nutrients are then used by the plants. Now look at this farmer. He is plowing the field. As we can see that it is made up of wood. Friends, now let us move on to the next topic of this module. I am sure you must have heard the term manure many a times. Do you know what it is? Okay, let us see. Manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plant and animal wastes. To make it, Farmers dump plant and animal wastes in pits at open places where it is decomposed by microorganisms. Soil fertility and nutrients are reduced due to repeated cultivation of crops year after year. Farmers therefore add manure to the fields to replenish the soil with nutrients. This process is called manuring. Now let us look at some of the major advantages of organic manure. Manure enhances the water-holding capacity of the soil. It makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases become easy. It improves the texture of the soil. It also increases the number of friendly microbes necessary. Once plowing is done, next step is sowing. Before sowing, farmers select good quality seeds to get high yields. Have you ever noticed your mother putting some grains in a vessel and pouring some water to it? What happens after a few minutes? Some seeds start to float. What is the reason behind this? Some damaged seeds float on water because they are hollow and hence lighter. Actually, this is a good method for separating good, healthy seeds from the damaged ones. Now let us see what are the tools used for sowing seeds. Look at this farmer. He has a funnel-shaped tool for sowing seeds. Observe them closely. What is he doing with this tool? Yes, he is filling seeds into the funnel and passing them down through the sharp ends of the pipe to get them seeded in the soil. This is a traditional method and very easy. Nowadays, farmers use modern seed drills for sowing with the help of tractors. I'm sure you are wondering how this seed drill works. It sows the seeds uniformly at proper distance and depth, ensuring that seeds get covered by the soil after sowing. This process also saves a lot of time and labor. Irrigation. The technique of providing water to crops in the fields by means of canals, reservoirs, wells, and tube wells, etc. is called irrigation. Irrigation is important for the following reasons: supply of essential elements, germination of seeds, growth, absorption of nutrients. The design, equipment, and technique of replenishing the soil water deficit by applying irrigation water is known as irrigation system. There are 4 types of irrigation systems. Wells are made to exploit groundwater. They are of 2 types, that is, dug wells and tube wells. In dug wells, water accumulates due to available groundwater table. Canals are connected to reservoirs or rivers to supply water. Canal is divided into sub-canals and distributaries. River lift systems. In areas where canal flow is insufficient or irregular due to inadequate reservoir release, the lift system is more rational. Water is directly drawn from the rivers for supplementing irrigation in areas close to rivers. Tanks are small storage reservoirs which intercept and store the runoff of smaller catchment areas.
Pesticides. Pesticides are chemical compounds that are used to kill pests, including insects, rodents, fungi, and unwanted plants called weeds. This process of applying or spraying out pesticides is called weeding.
Friends, what do you think that the farmers do after the crop is mature? Yes, he cuts the crop. This process is called harvesting, and it is an important task. Now let us know how the harvesting is done. In harvesting process, crops are pulled out or cut close to the ground by using sickle or a machine called harvester. After this, the grain seeds are separated from the chaff. This process is called threshing. This is carried out with the help of a machine called combine, which is in fact a combined harvester and a thresher.
Activity 2. How to do
Hello everyone. Now we are going to see what you have to do in your project regarding agriculture. In this, you're going to visualize the steps of agriculture. First, preparation of soil. Next, sowing seeds. And then applying manure. Next, irrigation. Weeding and harvesting. We suggest you to do this in your own idea with your own creativity. But you should include all the steps of this agriculture and never miss it. Objectives. From this activity, you will learn about the steps of agriculture and more about agriculture.
Stay home. Stay safe. Happy learning.